Imagine entering a world where light does not exist, where color fades into black, where movement is slow, silent, and life itself feels unfinished. Faces stare back at you with empty eyes, bodies drift without urgency. Creatures move, yet somehow feel lifeless. This isn't science fiction. This isn't horror cinema. This is the bottom of the ocean. Today, we're re-exploring why creatures living in the deepest parts of the sea look half alive, as if they exist somewhere between life and death. To understand this, we first need to understand where they live. The bottom of the ocean is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Sunlight never reaches it. Pressure is so intense it could crush a human body instantly. And food is incredibly rare. By every rule we know, life here shouldn't exist. Yet, it does. But not life as we recognize it. The creatures that survive here have been shaped by millions of years of brutal evolution. They did not evolve to be beautiful. They did not evolve to look alive. They evolved for one reason only: survival. And that is why they appear half alive. The first reason is energy scarcity. At the ocean's depths, food doesn't come daily or even monthly. Sometimes it arrives only a few times a year, falling slowly from the surface like scraps from another world. Because of this, deep-sea creatures live by a simple rule: use as little energy as possible. They don't chase prey aggressively. They don't fight unless they must. They move slowly, deliberately, conserving every bit of strength. Their muscles are weak. Their reactions are delayed. Their bodies seem passive, almost dormant. To us, this stillness feels unnatural. It feels like something that should be alive, but isn't fully awake. The second reason is their eyes, or the absence of them. In total darkness, vision becomes optional. Some deep-sea creatures develop enormous eyes, capable of detecting even the faintest hint of light. Others lose their eyes entirely. Because when there's nothing to see, sight becomes a waste of energy. This leaves them with blank, hollow faces. Faces that don't blink, faces that don't react. When we look into those eyes, or where eyes should be, our brains struggle to connect. There's no expression, no emotion, just emptiness. Ever wondered what's lurking in the darkest depths of our oceans? Let's dive into the bizarre and beautiful world of deep-sea creatures. Down there, where sunlight never reaches, the pressure is immense. To survive, these animals have developed some incredible adaptations. Take their skin, for example. Many deep-sea fish have ultra-black skin that absorbs over 99.5% of light. This makes them virtually invisible to predators and prey, a perfect camouflage in the eternal darkness. Then there's the light show. In the absence of sun, many creatures create their own light through a process called bioluminescence. They use it to attract mates, lure in their next meal, or even startle predators with a sudden flash. It's like a constant underwater fireworks display, with each species having its own unique glow. Life also moves at a much slower pace down there. Food is scarce, so deep-sea animals have incredibly slow metabolisms. This allows them to go for very long periods without eating, conserving every last bit of energy. Some can live for over 100 years, patiently waiting in the cold, dark abyss. The deep sea is a mysterious realm, proving that life finds a way to thrive in even the most extreme environments on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our planet. And our brains, wired for fast movement and instant feedback, interpret this as lifelessness. The fifth reason is something deeper. Evolution does not care about how we feel. Nature doesn't design creatures to comfort us. It designs them to endure. In the deep ocean, symmetry, beauty, and familiarity are useless. What matters is function. Jaws that can open impossibly wide. Teeth that can grip in total darkness. Bodies that won't collapse under crushing pressure. Emotion has no survival value here, so evolution removed it from the design. And what remains feels alien, cold, unsettling. Perhaps the most disturbing part of all is this: we've explored more of outer space than we have of the deep ocean. That means the creatures we've seen so far. are only the beginning. There may be forms of life beneath us that look even less alive, even more unfamiliar, so distant from our understanding that we wouldn't recognize them as living at all. And maybe that's why deep-sea creatures disturb us so deeply, because they challenge our definition of life itself. They are alive, just not alive the way we are. And as we stare into the darkness below, watching these half-alive beings drift silently through the abyss, it's worth asking one final question. What if, from their perspective, we are the strange ones? What if we are the creatures that look unnatural? Because life at the bottom of the ocean wasn't built for light. It was built for darkness.